Hi everyone, Amber and I have decided it's Sunday afternoon. She's just given me the most amazing massage and then we've gone to Chemist Warehouse and played makeup games, and then we came home and then I rubbed her boobs. So we thought, what else can we do to have fun? We're going to start ringing people who have just placed their orders. Right, we're going to call Iris from Alice Springs. Good on you, Iris.
Hello, who's calling?
Hello Iris, it's Chelsea Jean here. How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm just so excited that you've spent Sunday afternoon on your phone or on the computer thinking about your lymphatic system and purchasing my gloves.
I can't believe you actually called me.
I'm so excited for them. You get them express shipped.
Yes, Amber and I have just been massaging each other and we're like, oh, you know what we can do for fun? Let's just start calling some people who put their orders through.
Oh, well, you know what? That's really funny because that's a bit of a sign. I looked you up on the website, right? And there your stock was sold out. And then I went back on Insta and there it came up and I could order through Instagram. So that was interesting and clearly meant to be.
So meant to be. Now, how long have you been looking at my content and at the gloves?
Yeah, look, I've been sort of on and off, and it's one of those things, I'm stagnating since I'm so stagnated. So that affects the mental health. No, it does. It affects the mental health, right?
It does.
So I get it all. So I think once the glove arrives, I've actually not watched any of your tutorials or anything, but I've sort of watched short snippets. That's my aim. I'll get into it. I've always sort of done dry brushing, but since moving to Central Australia about 2 years ago, my self-care has gone out of the window, and I'm just at that age where I can't afford it, and it's really left its mark, plus some stress and trauma.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's really stagnant within my system.
And we hold a lot of that in our lymphatic system.
Yeah, we sure do. I can see it.
Yes, it changed my life.
Yeah.
I started using them 2 years ago and it completely changed my life. So yeah,
Yeah,
good luck
I
with
love
it.
what you do. Look, it's just a vibe I'm getting. I'm a bit sensitive to people's vibes, and what you do but really comes across as very authentic, and there's a high level of integrity, and I really appreciate that.
Thank you so much. Okay, so I saw that you chose Express Post.
Yep.
So to make sure that it gets to you fast. I just did a couple of hours in our boob camp Facebook group the other night. If you can please go through and re-watch those videos as well.
Okay, great.
On Instagram. Yeah. It's on Instagram.
Oh, good. Okay. Yeah, I do have a look there. Awesome.
Amazing. Is there anything you'd like to say to any other woman in your condition, like busy, stressed, about the lymphatic system and what you know?
I would say, with what I understand from trauma-informed practice and the work I do, start gentle. Start gentle with yourself. Every day matters. I think that's important.
Every day does matter.
Yeah, that's beautiful. It's like start now. Hey, just a little bit.
That's right. Even if you just do a little bit, just retrain your brain to commit as well, because for a lot of people it's the commitment, and when you have trauma in your system, it's very hard, and we don't need to add any extra stress for not having done it.
Yeah.
So practice makes permanent, right?
Practice does make permanent. I love that. All right, thank you so much,
fun.
Iris.
Okay, thanks for calling.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay.
Bye.
All right, bye.